27 fabulous flooring ideas for entryways. There is so much to adore in the above cheerful entryway by blogger Jillian Harris. For starters, behold the cement tile floor. The pattern tiles are from the cement tile shop, and the style is called Atlas 1. Equally welcoming is the bright yellow door in Hannah Banana by Benjamin Moore. Suns Up is a beach house built by Richard Moody & Sons Construction. One of the home's luxurious touches is the beach pebble entryway floor. The smooth stones provide a little grip that keeps wet feet from slipping. Pebble tiles like these are sold by the foot on a mesh backing for quick installation. In this home, by Heavenly, the polished concrete floor, which covers both the entryway and living room, has a simple scored pattern as shown on the left that resembles large format tiles. Claire Stashik, the Chicago-based interior designer, behind Centered by Design, made this entryway pictured above more welcoming with ceramic floor tiles by Marola Tile. The geometric pattern is called 20s Petal. Studio McGee, an interior design company, based in Salt Lake City, Utah, installed this beautiful entryway floor. The hardwood is French white oak, a resilient material once used for shipbuilding. While this type of wood is naturally rot-resistant, it needs extra protection when used as flooring. After installing these planks, several coats of waterproof sealer were applied to guard against potential damage. Christina Blake, the blogger who pens in Christina, covered the old wood floor in her extremely bitsy entryway with black hexagon floor tiles. To minimize her time spent cleaning, she went with black grout. It hides dirt better than grout in light shades. The project was done and dusted in 5 hours, not including the 2 days it took for the mortar and grout to dry. Turn your address into a striking statement with this entryway idea by Catherine Ivy Interiors, based in Washington, D.C. The hexagon tile floor features the home's house number. Let's say that you hate the ceramic tile in your entryway, and you cannot afford to rip it all out. What to do? Kelly from the crafty blog Moon and Me gave her blah, neutral tiles a spanking new look with chalk paint. Afterward, she protected her checkered creation with a water-based sealer. This entryway floor by Erin at the Sunny Side Up blog only looks insanely expensive. Her thrifty idea combines affordable, wood laminate flooring with faux stone tiles to create an elegant inlay pattern. Slate tile floors like this one installed by Kelly at the Lily Pad Cottage are perfect for entryways. The natural stone material is both slip and stain resistant. It also has a lovely grooved texture that adds a little character to spaces. To keep a slate floor looking like new, you should maintain it well and apply a stone sealer every year. Blogger, Lindsay Aratari from Aratari at Home, despised the green tiles covering the floor in her small entryway. Unfortunately, replacing them was not within her budget. So she gave them a facelift with chalk paint. It is a decorative paint that will adhere to most clean surfaces. She created the pattern with a reusable stencil called August by Cutting Edge Stencils. With the right flooring, a beige entryway is anything but boring. Instead of installing plain, square tile, David Michael Miller Associates based in Scottsdale, Arizona gave this neutral entryway extra zing with a diamond pattern floor. Zoe Feldman Design is the Washington, D.C. based firm that renovated this gorgeous Capitol Hill townhouse. There are 2 things we love about the entryway shown above: the black and white patterned floor tile and the inner glass door that provides an extra layer of insulation. There is no doubt that beautiful hardwood floors add value to homes. But which type of wood works best in entryways? Walnut is one of several exceptional choices. Its chocolate brown color will hide dirt between cleanings. The trick is not going too dark. We love the walnut floor in this entryway by Sheila Maiden Interiors, based in Seattle, Washington. If the floor were any darker, it would show off dust. Interior architect Daniel Heckscher transformed his white, cookie-cutter entryway with porcelain tile. The floor features a white brick tile in a herringbone layout. The dark gray grout enhances the pattern with a pop of dark color. In this small entryway, Amy Vermillion, an interior designer based in Charlotte, North Carolina, installed gorgeous slate planks in charcoal black. Say hello to this stylish entryway by Third Coast Interiors, based in Chicago, Illinois. The porcelain tiles on the floor are by Marola Tile. The design is called Arte Grey. We love the old world pattern because it is both trendy and timeless. Emily, the home improvement blogger from Mary Pad, always wanted a stone entryway in her home. But it had to be done on the cheap. What was her solution? She picked up dozens of shale stones from the shores of Lake Erie and got to work. Jolie Dion from Vintage Meets Glam had hardwood flooring in her entryway, but it was not working out. Water damage left the planks cracked, buckled, and warped. We have no problem with renting unless you are stuck living with an eyesore entryway floor you cannot tear out. If that is your situation, it is time to rejoice. This idea by Medina at Grillo Designs shares how to hide an unattractive laminate floor with wallpaper. Yes, wallpaper. If you do not have the budget to replace the old wood floor in your entryway, consider refreshing it with paint and a stencil. In this Palm Springs home by Sarah Mora, the blogger behind A House in the Hills, the polished concrete floor in the entryway makes a stylish first impression. The wood floor in this bright entrance seen on Bologshus got a colorful lift using a water-based marine paint in high-gloss turquoise. As its name implies, marine paint protects boats above and below the waterline. Because it is designed to shield surfaces from the damaging effects of moisture, it is an excellent paint for entryway floors. Christopher Burns Interiors, based in New York, installed a slate tile floor in this charming entryway. Because the slate tiles are in several different shapes, they lend pattern to the entrance. Add a little old-world appeal to an entryway with a brick paver floor like this one installed by Patrick Ahern Architecture, based in Boston, Massachusetts. Because bricks can absorb moisture, it is best to protect them with a waterproof sealer, especially if you live in an area prone to wet weather. You will need to apply a fresh coat of sealer every couple of years to prevent wear and tear. You can get mighty creative with small hexagon floor tiles. They are an old-school favorite typically found in decades-old buildings. You can arrange them in a nearly endless number of patterns. Porcelain floor tiles in this small entryway by Home Polish will stand up to muddy shoes and wet boots. Why is that, you may be thinking? Compared to ceramic tile, porcelain is stronger and more stain-resistant, making it a better choice for hardworking entryways. Porcelain floor tile has its pros and cons. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.